Welcome. Trading can change your financial future, but most beginners lose money because they skip the fundamentals. In this 15-minute guide, I will walk you step by step from opening your first chart to managing risk like a pro. I am also an affiliate partner for TradingView, the industry standard charting platform, and for several recommended brokers. All links are in the description below. First, what is trading? Trading means buying and selling financial assets to profit from price changes. You can trade stocks like Apple or Tesla. You can trade Forex like the euro against the US dollar. You can trade crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can also trade commodities like gold and oil. But here is what confuses most beginners. You need two different platforms. The first is a charting platform like TradingView. This is for analysis only. You cannot deposit money and buy assets on TradingView. The second is a broker like Oanda, Webull, or Bybit. This is where you actually buy and sell. TradingView connects directly to over 50 brokers. You analyze on TradingView, then click a button to execute on your broker. Think of TradingView as your mission control. Here is the workflow. Step 1, open TradingView. Step 2, analyze the chart and find a trade setup. Step 3, open the trade panel on the right side of the screen. Step 4, select your connected broker. Step 5, enter your position size and stop loss. Step 6, click buy or sell. Step 7, your trade executes on your broker account. Step 8, monitor your live profit and loss inside TradingView. Your first goal is not to make money. Your first goal is to survive. Practice on free demo accounts for 2 full weeks. And always set a stop loss on every single trade. Never ignore this rule. You need to know 3 order types. A market order buys instantly at the current price. A limit order buys only at a price you choose. This gives you more control over your entry. A stop loss automatically closes a losing trade. Never ever trade without a stop loss. Also use the 1% risk rule. This is the secret to long-term trading success. If your account has $1,000, your maximum risk per trade is $10. That is non-negotiable. Now let me explain TradingView in detail. It is used by over 50 million traders worldwide. Professional traders spend 80% of their time on TradingView. You analyze, draw lines, and plan every move. The free version is enough to start, but the pro version gives you more indicators, real-time data, and more alerts. The free version allows 3 indicators and delayed data. Pro allows over 25 indicators and live real-time data. As an affiliate partner, I have a special link in the description. You get 30% off a pro subscription. Here is your 7-day TradingView challenge. Create a free account using my link in the description. Add the 50 and 200 moving averages to a Bitcoin chart. Watch how price reacts when these lines cross. That is called the golden cross. It is a classic beginner setup and a great way to start learning. Now let me explain how TradingView connects to your broker. It supports all the major industry players. TradingView has a trade panel on the right side. Connect once, and then you can trade without ever leaving the chart. I personally use Oanda for Forex and Bybit for crypto. Both connect seamlessly. Check the description for my exact setup. Now let me teach you technical analysis. Support is a floor where price bounces up. It is where buyers step in. Resistance is a ceiling where price bounces down. These 2 levels are the basic alphabet of every trader. Now add the RSI indicator. When RSI is below 30, the asset is oversold. That is a potential buy signal. When RSI is above 70, the asset is overbought. That is a potential sell or take profit signal. Use it with support and resistance. Here is your homework. On TradingView, find any stock chart. Draw lines where price reversed in the last month. Then open the trade panel. Without placing a real trade, practice setting a stop loss at the level you identified. Congratulations! You have just done professional analysis and risk management planning in one simple session. Now let me teach you position sizing. This is what separates advanced traders from the crowd. Use this formula. Account balance times your risk percent, divided by the distance to your stop loss. This equals the number of shares to buy. For example, with a $10,000 account and a 1% risk, a $5 stop means you buy 20 shares. With a $5,000 account and a 1% risk, a $2 stop means you can buy 25 shares. And for a $1,000 account, a 1% risk and a $1 stop means you buy exactly 10 shares. TradingView's trade panel calculates this for you automatically. Use the tool. Never calculate this manually during a trade. Professional traders think in R multiples. 1 R is your risk per trade. It is the only unit of measurement that matters. With a 40% win rate and an average win of 2R, you are profitable. It is math, not luck. That is the pro mindset. Your trading journal is your business report. Top traders log every single trade to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Write down the date, asset, entry, exit, and your profit or loss in R multiples. Most importantly, record your emotions. Did you chase a trade? Did you revenge trade after a loss? Be honest. Your journal is the only place you cannot lie. After 50 trades, calculate your expectancy. If it is positive, you have an edge. If not, change your strategy or your rules. Remember, amateurs focus on profits. Professionals focus on process. Master the process and the money will follow. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate partner for TradingView and several brokers. I only recommend tools I use every day. If you sign up through my links, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps me keep this content free. Here's my honest advice. Start with a free TradingView account and a demo broker account. No real money for 2 weeks. Here's your action plan. 1. Open a free TradingView account. 2. Open a demo broker account using the links below. 3. Connect your broker to TradingView. 4. Practice finding one trade setup per day for 2 weeks. Use the demo account. 5. Risk 1% or less on every single trade. 6. Use a stop loss on every single trade without exception. 7. Journal every single trade. Do this for 2 weeks and you will be ahead of 90% of beginners. Start today. Practice for 2 weeks, then come back for my next video on live trading strategies. Hit subscribe and check the links. Trade smart, not hard. See you on the charts. Best of luck with your first 2 weeks of practice.